Students, let's start the revision of chemistry for the remaining pages, lesson number 1 from page number 6 to 14. See the question and answers. How did the contributions of alchemists help in advancement of the civilization? Answer will be alchemists were regarded as early chemists. Their work contributed in laying foundation for modern chemistry and medicine. Alchemists used chemicals in metalworking, inks, paints, cosmetics, and to prepare extracts and liquors. These people were the first ones to learn the process of isolating zinc and phosphorus. Their contributions helped in advancement of civilization. Okay, so this much will be the answer. This is from page number 2. Okay. Discuss the contribution of John Dalton. Question number 2. So let's see contributions of John Dalton. Here I have crossed the question because earlier I have given you the revision in which the notable scientists were there and their contributions are there. So there is no need to discuss still. If you want the answer, you can get it between page number 4 and 6. Then write a short note about the role of chemistry in the textile industry. So this is the same question. Here also it is there. Write about the contribution. See, role of chemistry in development of cosmetics, medicines, and here we have discussed. Okay, how has contributed, see in that. So if you haven't seen that, then come to page number 7. Here you will find this clothing and chemistry. So it is written nicely. See from here that chemistry is widely used in textile industry. Okay, so chemistry in the textile industry involves the knowledge of both natural and synthetic fibers. Then synthetic fibers such as nylon and terylene were also used to manufacture cloths. So here with the development in the field of chemistry, here this field is written, or you can start from here. Chemistry is widely used in the textile industry as synthetic fibers. From this you can write, okay, which are strong, wrinkle resistant, and they dry quickly. And these fibers are used to make dress materials, bed sheets like this you can write. So this much will be the answers, okay, for the question. Why are cosmetics used? 4th number question. So cosmetics are simply beauty products used to enhance, see from here, the appearance of external parts of human body. These are used to cleanse, beautify, promote attractiveness without affecting the body structure and functions. Okay, so you have to see why the cosmetics are used. What are cosmetics? So what are the common items of cosmetics? These can be the questions which can be asked in this context. Okay, then here various names are there, like emollients are there, then talc is there. Okay, so talc is nothing. Then if a question asks what is talc, it is a mineral made up of elements magnesium, silicon, oxygen, and hydrogen. You need to see what is hidden in that, okay, and answer. Don't go for this is not given. Everything is given in your book. Read your chapter thoroughly and find the answer. Some common medicines and their uses. Last question. Another very important topic is medicines and chemistry. So what are the common medicines? So we use aspirin, paracetamol, and penicillin. These are the 3 main medicines. And if the question asks, so you have to write about the 3 medicines, okay, and complete will be the answers. And it is given in page number 8.